Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss your daily dose of JDM content. But for now, I got one of our finest wheel techs here, Justin. He's gonna be building a couple heritage sets for us, and we're gonna be bringing you guys along with us. We're not gonna get too deep into detail what we're gonna be doing with them, but we are gonna be bringing you guys along with us. So what kind of wheels are we building, Justin?
Today we're gonna be building a set of SAKURAs and a set of Formula DIR, which is our RPF1 lookalikes that are directional.
All right, bet. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're gonna head into the shop right now, and yeah, let's go.
We already have one of the SAKURAs half fully assembled. Right now we just gotta put Loctite, put on some nuts, torque it down to spec, and then seal it. And right here we got the fronts, which is completely separated, so we don't get the back pads mixed up, and then the sizing of the wheel mixed up. And then over here, these are the Formula DIR, which are the RPF1 lookalikes. And they're gonna have polished centers with brushed lips. Yes, sir.
All right, so first we're gonna knock these out, and then we're gonna get to those. And just so you guys know, this is a very rare color, and it is called Dazzling Pink. And we're gonna go ahead and take this out in the sun so you guys can see actually how it looks, because in here just does not do justice. Damn, all right, this is a dazzling pink finish.
The way it goes from purple to pink from the inside out, with all the flakes, insane, man.
And that's pretty much a wrap, but we have one more final touch for this. The touch we cannot forget, our chrome center caps. So beautiful. All right, let's pop this bad boy in.
The heritage always faces the top of the valve stem cap.
Lesson learned, okay guys? Yeah, if you guys are building your wheels on your own, make sure that the center cap is aligned with the valve stem, and the valve stem should always be at the bottom of the wheel. So bottom, top, center, straight down.
Got it.
It's in?
Nice and smooth, baby.
Damn, didn't even hear the pop. Alright, so once the wheel's built, we like to put them over here in the sun so the seal could dry correctly. Thank you for your service, sir. Alright guys, so we just finished the rest of the SAKURAs. Now we're gonna start on the Formula DIR.
And look, these babies are getting some brushed lips or polished centers. One of the best setups you can do, bro.
And my guy got the biggest stain on his shirt today.
Bro.
Yeah, so we're about to jump right into it.
Throw some gloves on real quick.
Hell yeah, about to get this party started. Alright guys, also, and if you didn't know, if you go on our website, you can also opt in for either exposed hardware or hidden hardware. This customer went ahead and got the hidden hardware, so none of his hardware is going to be shown on his face, which is pretty sick. guys, and that is a wrap for today's video. If you guys are interested in any of those wheels that you just saw, make sure to hit up heritagewheel.com so you guys can get your personalized set today. If you guys like the vlog, make sure to smash that like button, and also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the vlogs that we post in the future. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Subscribe down below.